How to get message request for people with your phone number on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, but if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the how people find and contact you. Okay, you can tap this, and okay, below of this, you can see here the how you get message request. And this tutorial I'll show you how to get the message request for people with your phone number, and the setting is set into message request, so you can change this, okay, by tap this, and now you can see the option, so you can set into chat, message request, or don't receive request. So okay, message request from people on Messenger or Facebook with your phone number and their uploaded contact will be delivered to your chats unless you choose otherwise. These include people you're not friend with on Facebook. New group chat message requests won't be delivered to your chat. And okay guys, I decide to set into chats. And okay guys, after that, tap the save button below. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the message request for people with your phone number on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.